A motorcycle museum in somewhere in Tassie. I don't know exactly sure where I am, but this place, it's not that big, but it's got so many old beautiful bikes, so many Triumphs, so many like old classic British things, some old Kawasaki 4s, Honda 4s, everything. I mean, check out this RS125R, full race spec, just badass.
And that's my bike over there.
That's Fuzz's riding bike. Yep, that's his bike there, right there. That's his Landsproof bike right there.
What I learned on.
But I reckon one of my personal favourites is this. The RS250R, 2-stroke, full bright machine. Or in this case,
Especially with those bikes.
yep. And it's just heaps. Just Triumphs after Triumphs, which I'm not mad at, I'll be honest. It's just, I'm in Triumph heaven. Shiny red Ducati. There's just some neat bits of kit around here. So if you're ever in, where are we? Don't know. Right, okay. If we're ever in Tasmania in general, look up Motorcycle Museum and you'll probably find this place. It's not some beach city, town. Beach town, very much a town. But this place is awesome. Especially because of this one. Look at this tiger. Oh. Anyway, I'm running out of battery now. Hooroo!